Alright, Type R going onto a tow truck once again. Reason being is because of these lug nuts right here. Well, could be worse. Hey, what's up YouTube? So I wanted to actually kind of explain that last clip you just saw, the opener, and kind of like give you an update on what's going on before we get into the car shows and stuff that happens later on in the video. So if you guys remember in my last clip, what happened was I had a lot of wires showing up on my back right tire, on the back passenger tire on the rear. So I went to Discount Tire to actually try and get that tire replaced. So I went to Discount Tire and they ended up messing up some of the wheel studs when I was while they were trying to swap out the tire. Well, they got the lug nuts off, but when they were trying to get them on, they ended up cross-threading the studs, and so yeah, I ended up having to get the Type R towed back home, and I ended up replacing the wheel studs myself. So like I was saying earlier, it's got to be those stupid lug nuts. So what I ended up doing was grabbing some lug nuts off of Amazon, and for the meantime I'm putting these on there until I can get some better lug nuts that better serve my purpose. But these lug nuts, where they at? These ones, yeah, they gotta go, and they're gone. So yeah, but let me show you guys really quick before we go on later into the video. All right, so as you can see, I have 5 new lug nuts on the car. I had to replace all the wheel studs, and yeah. Really want to clear that up before we move on to the video. And with that being said, let's get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I went to 2 car meets over the weekend, and they were both pretty fun. One was a Andy's Custard. It was over in Cedar Park, and the very first one was a Hot Wheels meet over at Walmart, which was right up the street in Cedar Park too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get to it. I don't know how this video is gonna go. I don't know anything about how this video is gonna go. All I can tell you that is right now I'm at Walmart for a Hot Wheels meet, and I might have a couple more car meets lined up for the rest of the day. So stay tuned, and yeah, enjoy the vid. S15 at your Walmart. S13.
They're racing seats.
Oh, we put a K in here. Yeah, R33, gotta love it.
But the company went out of business, right? So I was like, okay, well, maybe just go to eBay. And then looking at it, like, man, I'm gonna spend 15 grand on just the motor.
You're fine.
Look, that engine popped.
No, this is the lit style. This is what I this is they're like the 80s.
All right, part 2. Look at this stock Civic.
My dad's got a 2012. Locked to a certain extent. I want to if I can find a shell. You want to chase on that?
Makes me miss my EK Lime Crude Road sticker.
I'm tuned. And I say,
Where'd you get a Lime Creek Road sticker? Yeah, it feels real good, yeah. Alright, so this Andy's custard meat, pretty legit, not gonna lie. About to move out to the next thing. Don't know what it is, but we'll see. Hi, puppy. Go on, brother. Dotson over there. Seeing all kinds of GTRs today, but an R34. Seen an R32 today. Seen an 10 R35s, one R33, no R34s. I got to see one R34 in Austin. Bag.
You can't even see the
I know, it's fucking fire.
That's Can you do that?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want in Texas. All right, and thank you guys. I really hope you appreciated the video. Like I was saying in one of my previous videos that I recently uploaded, I really want to do more lifestyle content. I really want to get more out there in the world, maybe branch away from cars a little bit, but also keeping everything car related. It's kind of just like a hybrid. You know, this was only car meets, but a little bit of lifestyle in there too. So thank you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more content on the 2018 Civic Type R and the 2022 Tesla Model 3 long range all-wheel drive, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really want to get a video going on the Model 3, but it's a daily, so it's not like my main priority, but it'll be fun though. I feel like to have some content, maybe like FSD drives and stuff like that, just like a day in life and how much I've actually saved on gas owning this car. It's kind of crazy. But thank you guys, appreciate it. Talk to you guys later. Bye.